And it's going to get even more sophisticated than that. But you're seeing again where we're taking just, again, pure thought and mapping it into this consistent structure that we're all using that allows us all to play the same game together. You get what I'm saying? What we're doing is we're breaking down bits of information right now into the concept, because again, the thought is the smaller breakdown. You break concepts down into thoughts, and that's where it gets into the minute detail. I'm not even going there right now because that's so technical. So, but we're going there. You know, this is where we're headed. But at this point, just each of these concepts. So here's one concept: summarize, offer to friends. And a concept is very simple. It's the title, it's the text that appears here, and there's none in this one, and then there's the video. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to break this down to the most rudimentary piece of information that we can consistently use over and over and over again. And it's like the consistent container that can get plugged in anywhere, right? Because that's the thing, when you go ahead, I forget which one of these, I need to actually display it. I'm gonna have to display it over here and think about that. The tags that these concepts have. So something on this page is tagged with personal productivity, right? So again, that's the tag. Now that becomes the channel. So then I just click on personal productivity. And then what I'm going to see is, oh, here is the concept that was tagged with that on that previous page around. So it's within the section, how we systematize manifesting your reality. And then the title is putting your mind into the world. And then over here, you know, it's has the rest of the content of that page of where it came from. So again, it's a summary of where this concept came from, giving it in context. Here it is, putting your mind into the world within this, you know, page, within this section. So again, and created by Jared Krupnick. So this is just the tiny summary that shows up on the channel. And even this is going to change. But what I'm showing you is like all of the things that get tagged with this are going to show up on this channel in this type of format. Like this is a search result that you're looking at right now, one search result. And then as people are consuming this information, as they're going to the content, and then again, so you go back to the content, and now I found it here in the search, and now I'm back on the page where it is and scrolled to right where it is. So now I'm reading the original content, you know, from Jared that I found in the search. Then when I like it, when I rate it, when I say it's interesting, whatever, now that's where we start to get the data that we're collecting around, you know, how effective these things are, right? And that's where we start to have any metric that we want. We can come up with any scale. You know, I like it the most. I hate it the worst. I think, you know, it's most, where is it on the inspiring scale? Where is it on the intelligence scale? Where is it on the persuasive scale? You know, it's like we get to rate all of these things however we want across all these different metrics. And then again, as we do that, it gives us access to how everybody is doing that. And now we start to be able to have querying data to analyze this information that we're looking at, which is most popular amongst our friends, which is most popular amongst MDs, which is most popular amongst, you know, world leaders, you know, amongst my, you know, House of Representatives, you know, whatever cross section of society we want to tune into, you know, where people are at, we're all plugged into the system that provides access to that data instantly.
That's amazing, man.